Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Before I start working on the Infiniti, please help me subscribe to the channel and click that bell notification so every time I have a new video you guys will be updated. But I'm working on a 2019 Infiniti Q50 right now. I'm doing the oil change service on it and you can see the oil is dirty. So I have the car lift up right now, take out the cover, it's all clipped all around. The drain bolt is right here. It's a 14 millimeter. Ooh, it's hot. I feel it. Ooh, it's dirty. And the filter is right in the front. Let it drain out. Everything is completely drained out. Put the little bit of oil on the gasket on the new filter. Wipe the spot. Put in the new filter. There you go. Put the drain bolt, finger tight. And then put in your 14. So this is tight, snug it, that's it. Put the cover back. So for the Infiniti, the oil type is 5W30 right there. And I'm putting 5W30 full synthetic. This one I believe takes 5 quarts. I'm gonna put in 5 and then check it with the dipstick. So I put in 5. Now I'm gonna check it. So, yep, there you go. It's right at the high mark, so that's perfect right there. Now I'm gonna reset the oil light. So I'm gonna have key on. There you go. I'm gonna toggle through the menu. Go over the engine oil right there. So I'm holding this button right here, the one that says on the one right here. So it reset, but you change your oil at every 5,000. I think this is the factory reset, but you change oil at 5,000. So this is it for this video guys, just a oil change and oil reset. If you guys new to my channel, please help me subscribe. If you have any question, comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I'll see y'all in the next video guys. Peace.